Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how to ask someone for a reason for something. So we'll start here with this word どうして, which means why, and then we're going to finish with our particle ka, which makes our statement a question. And in between those two, we're going to actually put the thing that we're asking about. So for example, we must not wear shoes in the house. Why is that? うちの中で靴を履いてはダメです。どうしてですか? So we can see here that our word どうして means why, and we've simply finished with a very simple phrase, ですか, and that means why is that? So let's take a look at another example. Why will you go shopping after school? どうして放課後買い物に行きますか? So we have our question here, which is why, and our sentence in between is will you go shopping after school? 放課後買い物に行きますか? So if we drop off the どうして at the front, the why part, we're still left with a grammatically correct sentence, a simple question. Will you go shopping after school? 放課後買い物に行きますか? If we throw on the word どうして at the front, we're actually asking why will you go shopping after school? Now to answer the question, we're going to put our reason followed by the word から and then our outcome to finish. So for example, we must not wear our shoes in the house because they are dirty. 汚いですから、うちの中で靴を履いてはダメです。So in this case, 汚いです is our reason. They are dirty. And the word から in this case means because. So because they are dirty, we must not wear our shoes in the house. In our second example, I will go shopping because I want to buy a new uniform. 新しい制服を買いたいですから買い物に行きます。So again, we have our reason at the front here, which is I want to buy a new uniform. 新しい制服を買いたいです。And we've linked that together here with our word から, which means because. And then we've simply finished with our outcome. 買い物に行きます. I will go shopping. Now, making longer sentences in Japanese is easy. You just join them together with から. So if you look at the previous example, I want to buy a new uniform and I will go shopping, instead of having these two simple sentences, we're going to connect them to make one more complex sentence using the word から. So I want to buy a new uniform is simply 新しい制服を買いたいです. And our second sentence is I will go shopping. 買い物に行きます. Now, in order to join these two together to make them one more complex sentence, we're going to put から between them. 新しい制服を買いたいですから買い物に行きます. I will go shopping because I want to buy a new uniform. And here's some useful vocabulary. The word for jewelry is accessory. The word for bag is kaban. The word for rules is kisoku. Mobile phone is keitai denwa. Makeup is kesho. School rules is kosoku. Rubbish is gomi. Rubbish bin is gomi bako. Uniform is seifuku. Piercing is piasu. Manicure is manicure. And graffiti is rakugaki. So that's about all for this topic, but if you have any questions or comments, please let me know.